feels like the world is moving faster than ever. Technology and innovation reshape our lives on an almost daily basis, and there's one car that has not only kept up with this pace, but has managed to stay out front, always leading the charge. This is the 2018 S-Class, the embodiment of Mercedes-Benz unyielding commitment to delivering the most intelligent, most advanced, and most exhilarating automotive experience on the road today. One look at the exterior, with its newly redesigned grille, front and rear bumpers, LED headlamps and tail lamps, and chrome trim details, and you quickly appreciate the fact that this S-Class was designed with an eye for detail. You can sense it from the moment your hand touches the handle. Inside the 2018 S-Class is a haven of hand craftsmanship. Time-honored materials of wood, glass, and leather converge in harmony to soothe and stimulate the senses like never before. The S-Class is equipped with its own personalized Wi-Fi hotspot for convenience and efficiency, and when work is done, you can relax in dynamically contoured and powered rear seats with lumbar support and hot stone massage therapy. Additionally, heated armrests and door panels, double-paned glass for added quiet, and a panorama roof with magic sky control transform this cabin into a cocoon of ergonomic efficiency and personalized comfort. And for even greater luxury, there's the ingenious new energizing comfort feature, a mood-changing technology that allows you to alter the entire cabin ambiance at the touch of a button. With a single selection, you can reconfigure the 64-color interior ambient lighting and the air balance cabin fragrance and air purification system. The new S-Class appeals to all your senses. And it drives with a sixth sense. This new S-Class continues the legacy of introducing groundbreaking safety measures that may one day be industry standards with its driver assistance systems. Systems like pre-safe sound, which can emit a safe pink noise when sensors detect an impending impact to help prepare and protect your ears from any severe impact sound. There are also advanced assistance systems, which can adjust speeds based on posted signs and route features when working with the adaptive cruise control. Active Distance Assist Distronic and Active Steering Assist help support the driver with steering and keeping a safe distance to the vehicle in front while traveling at a set speed. And an LED intelligent light system features the latest generation LED headlamps with an ultra-wide beam feature for added visibility and security. Also, Magic Body Control, exclusive to the S-Class, can use a stereo camera to scan the road ahead and instantaneously adjust the suspension for a smoother ride. In truth, nothing rivals the experience of riding inside an S-Class. Save for one thing: driving the new S-Class. Take command of this flagship vehicle and notice the stunning attention to detail at every touch point. The touch control buttons on the new 3-spoke steering wheel, the wireless charging station, and 2 new high-resolution 12.3-inch displays situated behind a single bonded glass panel for a sweeping, stylish look. There is virtually no facet of the automotive experience that has not been influenced and guided by the S-Class, be it technology, safety, luxury, or without question, performance. The Mercedes-AMG S63 takes performance to a new level by combining a new AMG SpeedShift MCT 9-speed transmission, 4 AMG Dynamic Select driving modes, and the exhilarating race start function with a 603 horsepower handcrafted AMG 4-liter V8 bi-turbo engine. And great performance doesn't have to be just out on the track. The S560e will be available as part of an exciting line of plug-in hybrids we call EQ Power. For generations, one car has never settled for being good, but has continually strived to be the best. To not just keep pace, but be forever out front. That car is the 2018 S-Class. Now and forever, the best or nothing. To learn more or configure your own S-Class, visit mbusa.com.
The leader. The best. While the Mercedes-Benz S-Class has sat at the pinnacle of automotive excellence for generations, we have never settled on past glory. That has always been our challenge and our mission. To continually innovate and push technologies forward to shape the future of every automobile to come. On each S-Class, there lies a simple badge, and it serves as a timeless reminder and a constant call to never rest on laurels and to forever earn the star. This is the car the world looks to. This is the 2018 S-Class from Mercedes-Benz. The best